I said you are jealous. Daniel, don't touch me. Daniel, don't touch me. Don't touch me, Daniel. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Just leave me alone now. Just leave me alone.
Hey, get out.
Don't step at it. She's not going anywhere. You did not call her to do this job. She's not. Don't step on it, Chitoro. You didn't bring her here. I brought her to work for me and not for me. She's not going anywhere.
Oh, I see. It's like you want to try me. You want to see what I'm made of, eh? If you don't leave this house right now with your legs, you'll be taken out in an ambulance. Get out!
I said sit down.
Get out! Get out!
Take me home. Let me be.
Let me see you bring another maid into this house.
I'm dying in silence.
Leave me! Idiot! Idiot! Stupid man! Let go your stupid hands on me again! Policeman, it's where I am you have strength! It's where I am you have strength! Idiot! Bastard!
I'm going
Come and beat me!
I am going to
Come
work.
and beat me!
Okay?
Come and beat me!
By the time I come back and you've not done what I asked you to do, you see the other side of me.
You will come back and I will not do it. You will come back and meet me here and I will not do that. You will not do anything. You will not do anything. You think I'm those ladies that you can intimidate? Is that what you think? You think I'm those ladies that are going through hell in their marriage and they will keep silent and die? No, it's me that will kill you. Daniel, I will be your end. I promise you.
Then come and be my end. Come and be my end.
I promise you. Come and beat me. Idiot. You will see your mate, oh. You will see your mate in the office. You will not beat them.
Let me go back to work and come back. You've not done what I asked you to do.
I will not do it.
Huh? This house will be hell for you.
No problem. No problem. Idiot.
You're still talking.
Yes,
you're still calling me names? Huh?
I'm still talking.
No.
I'm still talking.
So come now.
Still talking. I'm still talking. It's a man like you that is the general manager of your workplace. But look at you. You should be ashamed of yourself. You should be ashamed of yourself. Idiot. Go and beat your mate outside. Go and beat your mate outside. Bastard. Idiot. It's the only way I am you have strength.
Just go to work.
Go to work and meet your mate.
Let me come back. You've not done exactly what I asked you to do.
You're a church rat.
You see what I'm going to do.
You cannot do anything. You cannot do anything, idiot. Come and touch me again.
Take me home. Let me be. Save my life. I'm dying.
Hey. Wait. You get waiting I won't ask you.
Waiting be that. I wait though. I know say you no one ask me why I put one meat for you. As you don't always ask me. Because if you ask me today, I no go even answer you. I no get time at all. So wait till you want ask me.
No be that one. I want.
Wait till you want ask me.
I want ask you. Which juju way they use?
I don't understand now. What do you mean by which juju are they use?
Wait, you tell me say you know they use any juju. Tell me which juju way they use?
How now talk now? What happen? What happen?
Now only you for this house. We don't dey like 1 month. Nothing happen. Others when they come, they go there like 3 days, 4 days. They go pursue them come out. More especially if you want go separate Oga and Madam if they fight. Eh? I surprised say Oga never push you since then.
My brother, you don't pursue me, you don't push me. Not be even once, not be twice. You don't push me very well. But me, I just see and say, Madam, no, they pray. Because if you say she dey pray, God for don't intervene for am since, but she don't dey pray.
Yes, not true you talk.
She don't dey pray.
Not true you talk.
I don't blame am, child, because if she come back for night, she go tire. She not go get time again pray. So I don't blame am. I don't blame am.
Oh, wow.
You know say Oga dey see another woman.
Eh? I lie. I don't believe you.
See, no talk say I tell you. Because if you talk, I go deny you 3 times like Peter for Bible. So, Oga dey see another woman.
Eh?
If Madam go out like this or she go work, now so Oga go call one woman. He get one woman where he dey always talk with. They go dey talk. So they go dark. This guy.
Why you go dey do like that now?
I don't know.
How wicked though.
I don't know.
You don't tell madam.
Me tell madam. Ha. She know they even allow me make her talk to them. She no get chance make her even talk to them. If I want to talk to them, she no go get chance. She go just tell me make her they go. She no get chance for that one. But even if she agree make her tell her, even if she listen to me, she no go believe me. I mean she no go believe me. So I just say make her come leave her, make she dey her day, make her day my day. Now ain't be that.
You sure say I no go approach that man oh. I go talk to Oga oh. That thing when they do, you know good. I go talk to them oh.
If you want to talk to them, Mr. Man, don't call my name oh. No just call my name, join them. Because if you try, I go deny you. I don't know you. In fact, I don't tell you anything no. I don't tell you anything no. Now you sabi oh.
I go approach him oh.
I don't even know why I tell you this thing. After now, you go call my name for the matter. No call my name oh.
I mean, how can she even do something like that? Dissolve a marriage that is not up to 2 weeks? No, it doesn't make sense. Yes. Of course, I'll talk about it today. Alright, see ya. Bye.
You're not going anywhere.
What are you talking about?
That ladies club thing that you're talking about on the phone. Okay, I'm actually sick and tired of your ladies club this, ladies club that. It all ends today, okay? No more.
You know you're joking, right? Huh? You want to dissolve something I started even before I met you? Daniel, you know that's not possible. Say something else, please. Daniel.
Yeah.
Why are you taking my phone and my car key? Huh? Daniel, why are you going with my phone and my car key? Daniel, please, I don't want this, so I don't want it. These people paid a lot of money for me to train and teach them. Give me my car key.
It's not happening.
Daniel, give me my car key and my phone. Please. Daniel, give me my car key and my phone. Give me my car key and my phone, Daniel. Daniel, give me my phone and my car key. Give me my phone and my
Take me home, let me be, save my life. I'm dying in silence, the beast in here. Take me home, let me be, save my life. I'm dying in silence, the beast in here.